Here's my little privet last October. I wired it at the end of the summer, and in only a few weeks the wire cut in. It seemed like literally overnight it went from being fine to cutting in quite deep. But apart from that, it grew really well after its July defoliation. Here it is in January, looking miserable. If you've seen any of my other privet videos, you'll know this year they all seem to turn deciduous for some reason. As with most of my trees, I give it a good hard prune in winter. If you remember from the last video on this tree, I defoliated and pruned it back in July. So the fact of being able to do it again this winter just shows how fast privet can grow. I'd gotten rid of most of the problem branches last summer. This was mostly just a trim back. There's really only the one branch that had to be totally removed. There was too many branches in the one place. I also knocked all the leaves off as it's pretty pointless keeping them on. The wire damage is pretty noticeable, but I think by the end of this year it should have healed over quite a lot actually. Here are some leaves I cut off compared to a healthy green leaf from a privet hedge in a garden. Again, I'm not sure why the tree went deciduous. I brought the tree back inside at the end of February and very quickly it started to bud out again. So it was time to repot. As you can see, the roots had filled the pot. It's a fast growing tree in a small little pot, so it's probably going to need to be repotted every year. I love seeing a block of healthy roots like this. You can see the buds are starting to open, so it's the perfect time to repot. Although the root ball is pretty solid and definitely needs repotted, it's not super compact. It's pretty easy to tease everything out. After washing, you can see it has a nice little root ball. It's already quite flat and radial. I've been working on it for the last few years and it's slowly coming together. I trimmed it back pretty hard. Privet can handle that quite easily. And that is the only way you're going to get a decent root spread. You just have to repeat this process for years and years. So I potted it back up in the same little blue pot and give it a good watering. And here it is after. Nothing special, but I like it a lot. I think it's coming along quite nicely. By April it was looking very healthy. Shot out and was doing well. And by May, it had grown like crazy. apart from that branch, that was dead. Oh well. All the shoots had already taken off. Definitely time for its first pruning of the season. I pretty much took everything back to the second set of leaves. So it's back to looking nice and compact. Here it is in June. It's growing like crazy again. I could prune it again now, but I'm going to leave it. I'll give it a few more weeks and then take a look at it. I'm also loving how green the leaves are compared to how they looked in the winter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.